action verb directly expresses an action, whereas a helping verb helps a main verb to express mood, tense, or voice. Examples of action verbs. A. He eats a mango. He eats a mango. B. John prepares meal. John prepares meal. Examples of helping verbs. A. John is eating a mango. John is eating a mango. B. They are talking about you. They are talking about you. Action verb versus linking verb. Action verbs express the activities performed by the subject of a sentence, whereas a linking verb is a type of verb that connects a predicate noun or predicate adjective to its subject.